Hello and welcome. My name is Jeremiah, the Bullfrog Hale, and this is Tips and Tricks with ProPricer. We'll cover useful tips and tricks in ProPricer that help you leverage your time better and get things priced. In today's episode, I'll be discussing a new ProPricer product that I think everyone should know about, and that is a new web-based estimator program that we are currently calling ProPricer Estimator Flex. But this name will be phased out pretty soon. We've sent out some emails about that. Estimator is designed to be an estimate collector and a way to streamline all the estimating methods you might be using now. Now, web-based are the key words that make this product special because it runs entirely on the internet and has a bunch of cloud computing capabilities. This web-based edition of ProPricer can get your estimating done quickly and easily. All you'll need to get your estimating team started is a link to your own estimating environment. No downloads, no installs, just ready to go. I'll start showing you the program by opening an email with my link, as an estimator might do. Then I'll log in and access my dashboard to see the proposals that are ready for my estimates. Let's go ahead and add some estimates to a proposal. On the dashboard, I'll click on Proposals here. Select one from the list and then click on Estimate to open it. I'll add a program management task by clicking on the plus button and then clicking on Add Task. Name, place, date of birth. Wait, that's a different form. Then click Create. Next, I'll add a basis of estimate, or a BOE text, by clicking on the task row and clicking on the following BOE button. In the text editor that appears, I'll start typing or attach a file. And for the sake of time, I'm going to attach a file. Okay, now we're almost ready to drop in those work hours. Before we can do that, we need to add a resource by clicking the plus button and then Add Resource. I'll give it an easily recognizable name. How about Bullfrog? Pick a resource from the list. How about Program Manager? And then I'm going to leave the defaults in the rest of the fields and click Create. I should point out you only have to create these resources if it's not already created. Now I'll drop in those work hours. In the cell where the task and the resource intersect, I'll click on the cell and add 15,000 hours, and you're done. In Estimator, multiple tasks, resources, trips, and texts can be added at once so you can quickly build a large proposal. But I'll save that for a different episode. We're just getting our feet wet here. Once all or part of the estimates and BOE data have been collected, then they can be imported into the Contractor Edition for more pricing analysis. I'll do that now by going to the Proposals page, clicking on the proposal, and then clicking on the big ol' Submit button at the top of the screen. Your ProPricer credentials will need to be entered, and then click Submit. Now let's hop over to the ProPricer Contractors Edition and check the results of that submission process. Let's launch ProPricer and log in. To review the proposal, I'll open that new tips and tricks tasks that we added to see if the BOE text and labor hours that we created in Estimator are here. And yes, they are. Another handy feature in Estimator is the Activities feed. With Activities, users can be assigned to get notified if any changes happen in any proposal, WBS element, task, whatever. And this is helpful when your estimators have completed their estimates. You can get notified, so you can go into ProPricer Contractor Edition and check out the work. I'll do this by, you guessed it, going to Proposals. Let's open up the proposal and find a WBS. Then I'll click on the Activities feed bubble, assign a user to follow the WBS activity at the bottom here. Or you can just tell them which WBS to work on in the email with the link. That also works. In summary, our new web-based program will get you right to pricing without messy import spreadsheets or hand entering estimates. It's so simple. No software installs or version updates. All you need to get pricing on that proposal is a link and a login. Head over to our website, ProPricer.com, to find out more information on this Estimator edition of ProPricer. If you thought this video was helpful, please share it with a colleague. If you or your team have any questions that we can help with, or any tips and tricks of your own, we'd encourage you to email us directly. Who knows, your tip might just end up on our next episode. Again, my name is Jeremiah, and as always, thanks for watching.